They're a competitor, and they'll be a really serious one. A lot of the models of the frontier are already quite close, but I have tremendous respect for how quickly they built that data center. The technology itself, to the degree that you believe deep learning is like a law of physics or a fundamental scientific discovery, is something that many will adopt. Everyone has their own analogy for AI. Sundar compares it to electricity, others to the Industrial Revolution, some even to the Renaissance. The analogy I like best is the transistor. It was a groundbreaking scientific discovery that a few companies harnessed first, but it scaled unbelievably well and transformed society. Today, we don't think of devices as transistor devices or Google as a transistor company. Yet they wouldn't exist without transistors. I think AI will follow a similar path. Shockingly capable models will become widely available and be used for everything. In the future, it will be inconceivable for a product or service to not be smart. At some point, the core AI reasoning engine will become commoditized, and that's a good thing. Science should be diffused throughout society. That's why we're focused on building foundational AI technology. There's still uncertainty in defining superintelligence, but 2 years ago, we were already on a steep curve. We started OpenAI because we saw this potential and believed deep learning was an incredible discovery. We felt a duty to develop it, push it forward, and broadly share its benefits. And while we've made significant progress, there's still a ton of research and engineering work ahead. By 2025, I expect we'll have AI systems that even skeptics will look at and say, "Wow, I didn't expect that." That will shift perceptions about AI's capabilities. When it comes to Tesla's growth, it's not just about observing from the sidelines. For Tesla bulls and those looking to uncover the next big stock market opportunity, Seeking Alpha is your go-to source. They provide the latest updates on Tesla's stock price targets, innovations, and everything related to Elon Musk. Click the affiliate links in the description to support the channel. Ad agents are the hot topic right now, and for good reason. The idea that you can give an AI system a complex task, something you'd assign to a highly intelligent human, that requires using tools, researching, and creating value is incredibly powerful. I expect we'll see significant breakthroughs in this area next year. If AI agents work as well as we hope, they could completely transform the landscape. I believe there will be a few foundational large models that others build on. Right now, companies create large language models and provide APIs for developers to integrate. But I think an intermediate layer will emerge, a space for startups fine-tuning existing large models for specific applications, whether in medicine, computing, or personal assistance. These companies will create significant value. While we aim to improve AI across the board, reasoning models are a particular focus for us. We hope reasoning will unlock many long-awaited capabilities, from contributing to new scientific discoveries to assisting with complex coding tasks. This is a key strategic area for us. Initially, AI will enhance productivity for skilled coders, but eventually we'll see high-quality no-code tools. Some already exist, but we're still far from a world where someone can fully build a startup in a no-code manner. However, the trajectory is clear. For startups, our message has been consistent. We are committed to making our models significantly better over time. If you're building a business that patches small gaps in current models, those gaps may soon disappear. However, if your business benefits from AI getting better and better, then you're aligned with where things are headed. There are trillions of dollars in new market opportunities created by AI. The key is to build something that leverages AI's strengths rather than relying on its current limitations. Looking back, in the GPT 3.5 days, about 95% of startups were betting against AI improving quickly. They focused on patching weaknesses rather than building transformative AI-driven products. But we could already see GPT-4 coming, and we knew many of those patches would soon become obsolete. Now that ratio has flipped. Most people have internalized the rapid rate of AI improvement. Do you know who else shares this optimism? Today's sponsor, Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is the best pro-Tesla news source on the internet. Click the affiliate link in the description to get the latest Tesla updates, stock price targets, innovations, and everything Elon Musk. The scale of investment and value creation in AI is massive. Every major technological revolution follows this pattern. Next year will be a big push toward the next generation of AI systems. Think about the economic impact of AI-driven no-code software development. Imagine a future where anyone can describe a company's entire software infrastructure, and AI builds it. That would unlock unprecedented value by making software development more accessible and affordable. Similarly, AI could revolutionize industries like healthcare and education, both of which represent trillions of dollars in value. While there's debate over the exact numbers, whether AI will create $1 trillion or $10 trillion in value, the core point is that its impact will be enormous. There's also a significant place for open-source AI models. High-quality open-source alternatives now exist, offering flexibility for those who prefer them. But well-integrated, seamless AI services also have their place in the ecosystem. Ad agents are still in their infancy, and we don't fully grasp what they'll be capable of. Right now, people imagine AI agents as tools that say, book a restaurant reservation for you. But what if, instead of calling one restaurant, your AI called 300 to find the best option? And what if AI agents handled both ends of that conversation, making it effortless? That's just a small example, but it highlights how AI will surpass human bandwidth limitations. More interesting than simple tasks, though, is the idea of an AI acting as a highly intelligent collaborator, something that can handle complex, multi-day tasks with minimal supervision. That's a paradigm shift. I could imagine a future where AI operates based on computing power, rather than per seat or per agent pricing. Businesses might simply allocate a certain number of GPUs to continuously work on their problems. There's a huge amount of infrastructure to build, but models like GPT-4 already hint at what's possible. Reasoning is our primary focus because it's the key to unlocking AI's next major leap in value. While we're improving multimodal capabilities and other features, reasoning is what will truly drive progress. A common mistake people make is trying to fit AI into old technological analogies. The internet revolution, for instance, was different. It was easy for anyone to get started. AI, especially in foundational model development, is far more complex and capital-intensive. One of the biggest opportunities is building AI that truly understands a person's life. Imagine an AI that has deep contextual knowledge about you, helping with tasks in a way that feels intuitive and personalized. Some companies are already working in this direction, but there's still immense potential for innovation. AI will enable experiences that were previously unimaginable. The key is putting the pieces together in the right way to create something truly magical. The companies that succeed in doing this will define the future.